Yo, what up? What up, what up? How goes the world? So I'm restarting on the water thing. Matter of fact, we're going to put all of that on hold. Oh, we can't put... Don't want top chat. I want live chat, please. Thank you. Alrighty. Now I got the chat pod. Hey, Rocker Phony. You're a phony. You're a phony. A big fat phony. How you doing? So yeah, we're going to be working a little bit more on the Hawk engine thing. And Rocker, I also want to code a little bit for your thing as well. Alright. So, how can I explain what I did? Submitting what I've done so far. Yo, konnichiwa. Oh, konbanwa, it seems. You need to zoom in since I'm on my CRT. Yep. Konbanwa. How ya doing? Oh, thank you for reminding me. Crap. I don't want to ruin my streak again. I had to use like one of those little ice things on Duolingo. So yeah, we're first going to be doing this apparently. I keep forgetting to do this. That's I got a... Oh, well never mind. I can hear it. Okay. It's coming through my CRT. It's going pretty good. Mo. Zemo. Mo. Hanase. No. Nazoo. Dang it, I knew it. I even knew that. That's what I get for not paying attention. That will be a ball. Thought you lost all your progress on Unity? Oh, that would not have been good. Oh, that would have been horrible. Chugoku. Z. Let me catch up with me. Oh, no, I already read that. I'm stupid. Ya. Bo. Maybe Moscow. Boston. My project wasn't showing up, and I had to dig the other through the folders. Oh, that would have been horrible. If you lost it. Harsh lesson on remembering to back things up. We've all had that. Oh yeah. I still actually make that same mistake of not backing anything up. I need to push up a little past the promotion zone real quick. Right, one more and then we'll get back to coding. Yeah, Airless, actually, are you going to be busy, like at work? Because I was wanting to show you what I did yesterday.
Go.
Oh wait, which katakana was su? Alright, this is tall.
To.
Da.
Da.
And that's hiragana. And this is go, I know, but
Go.
was it this one, right? Yeah.
De.
Oh, I should have known because the diacritic there was there.
ゆ
Ah, 45 minutes? Dang.
ゆゆ
Alright, you know what? Screw this. I'll rank up later. Yeah, so this is super freaking cool. So I got tired of like not being able to do the certain things like that we were struggling with in the past. So I actually wrote a thing here, HW engine or Hawk Whisper engine, I'm just calling it for now. And what it does, it does so many cool things. Firstly, we can actually return the estimated overall light as it's always processed now. So let me show you what I mean by that. Should be in. Oh, yeah, it's because I turned the thing here invisible. Alright, so this right here is the estimated overall lumen value of the screen. Remember how like we were trying to get it before? Like, well, this right here does it at all times. So all you would need to do is like call a little function and you can immediately get the estimated overall luminosity of the screen. Pretty freaking cool. It's very minimalistic too. It's not ultra accurate per se, but it will get the job done. Nextly, we can actually get the previous rendered buffer perfectly fine now after it renders. So now we can actually stick a copy. Like if, for example, if you wanted a TV monitor like right here to show like what the camera sees, you'd be able to do that. It's super dope. But not as dope as reading the chat like on my CRT. That is mega cool. Composite cable and all. Alright, anyway. Enough grasping at nostalgia here. So, what do we want to do with this? Yes. So, it is pretty cool. So, I'll go ahead and show you how it works. Alright, I guess the best way I can show you is, well, with the super shader thing. As you can see here, I'm making use of it already, and I'm going to be using it for the water as well. HW engine dot last render will return the last fully rendered thing, and this will return the overall estimated light. Now, I also am looking to, how do I explain this? I don't know how to actually make this happen though. So like right here, right, we have GLSL functions like lumen and stuff. I want to make it so basically developers can use this as well. Like it's not just going to be like my engine thing. Anyone can, you know, make use of this. But basically, I want to have it to where like you can inject GLSL functions. Oh, I think I know how I'm gonna do that actually. No, I can't do it that way. Ah, yes, that's why. Okay, I can. So what we're gonna do? Okay. Inject before inject GLSL. So this will hold on. I wonder if I can automatically make it like compatible as well with the the newest GLSL. Yes, that's what we'll do. All right. Convert. Okay, I need to make that a good public function. Convert to GLES 3. Yeah, and vert frag. This is gonna be swag. So yeah, basically, I'm gonna try and make it where it'll you can like automatically convert to the latest version of GLSL, like without having it be like a pain in the neck. Okay. First, I'm gonna need to get a copy of these so I can remember what changes. Pixie.filter.default vertex source attribute. So we replace attribute and varying. So attribute vec2. Okay. Vert equals vert.replace. Attribute vec2 a vertex position. There we go. GM. And this was replaced with in. Yeah. In vec2 a vertex position dot replace the other thing was varying vec2 b texture coord. Yeah. Oh, I would have made a typo there. Varying vec2 v texture coord, and I think that's all that we replaced. Yes. All right. So in the frag, we replace. Okay. We add out vec4. Okay. Vert equals plus vert or frag, not vert. Vert, you're shouting again, vert. I almost typed fert. That was a fert. I'm just gonna debug some code here. Is it technically debugging, like, if you take it from yourself? Like... So yeah, after doing all of the conversion... Oh, oops. Okay, so we replace varying vec2 within vec2 texture coord. Alright, so that will allow us to do that. So return vert and frag. But I need to see if that works. If you can just straight up use the same thing as a name. This is the bloom shader. I didn't think so. That's okay. See, if you use GL frag color in the in GLES3, it actually doesn't work. So that's like one of the only annoying things. And I was hoping I can overwrite the variable, but I can't. But that's okay. I mean, anyone who's coding shaders anyways already knows, most likely already knows, well, more than I do, that's for darn sure. Probably. Okay. So how we're going to do this part here, we're actually going to look for the function void. Okay, so let index equals 0. And then we're going to do GLSL. Hold on, we need source, yeah. Source and GLSL. So we're going to do source.replace / and then void main /gm a and then index index equals index. Let's call it I. Index equals I. And then index minus equals oh no, yeah, no, we don't have to do that. So then we do src equals src.substring 0 index plus GLSL plus /n plus src.substring index plus GLSL.length plus 1, and then src.length plus, oh wait, yeah, we just need an index like that. That should inject it. Yeah, index equals I. Hello, index. That's the power of pine saw. Windex. Pinedex. Windsaw. Anyway. I don't know where I was going with that. So we have the converting thing, and now we need to test and see if the inject GLSL works. And how we can test that is pretty simple. Let's do var thing equals void. Okay. Yo, I'm a hooker. Well, void main. Vart. Alright, so there's thing. So now we're going to do thing equals hwengine.inject GLSL thing kek means. Oh, well, we never did return the source. Son of a hooker. There it is, it works. Heck yeah. First try, let's go. Hey, man. Right. So now, what we can do with this is we can actually make a thing that like includes. It's gonna be so dang cool. Like we can make in like built-in functions, like the luminosity function. Float lumen. Now we need a internal function here, so inject GLSL function and then name and then name and then source. This dot create GLSL functions. And then, create GLSL functions. GLSL extensions equals we'll say lumen. And as we add more functions, this is going to be the coolest thing I think I've ever freaking done. Not literally, but actually there are some like amazing things that are a lot cooler, but they're also not for me to disclose, unfortunately. This knows what I'm talking about, though. Some of the dopest, actually no, hands down, the dopest things that I have ever done in programming was actually for Viz. Yeah. Alright, okay. Let me do we try. Source dot inject GLSL source this dot GLSL extensions name return source. So now if we were to make this and we were to do this, so inject GLSL function lumens lumen. Let me change it to an S. Thing. What? Oh. Wait, huh? Oh! My brain farted again. Sorry about that. There it is! It works! Hey, man. I mean, like, I don't see why it wouldn't work, but, you know. Well, time to make a lot of functions. We already have a light thing, so we don't need to... Okay, check this out. Wait. Let's say get neighbors. Can you like do... Okay, GLSL array of vec4 elements. Okay, return multiple vec4 elements. Yeah, I get all of that. So okay. So if I'm right, vec4 test vec4 return vec4 This is probably most definitely gonna result in an error. Yeah, so I thought. Test vec4 implicitly size arrays are not allowed in tessellation shaders or geometry shader inputs. So how about that then? Try the same error. Return is not a... So what if we do void? That's no good. Alright, well let's think of another function then for now. No, screw that. We're gonna get this. Decimate. Oh, you do an in out. I think. No. My tits are confused. I'm so confused, so confused. Why in the world does this not work? Alright, let's okay. Let's try can we do this? Back for neighbors. Equals. Wait, can we just do that? Internet's not really gonna help us in this situation. Neighbors is implicitly size area. So yeah, alright, we can't use that style. That's okay. Oh well. Alright then. Well, let's do color adjustment stuff. Okay, so we're gonna do multiply. Yeah, I don't want to make it all in one. So we'll do multiply, and I will always be confused. Okay, float, multiply. Matter of fact, I'll just do this. No, I won't. I'll do it here. Back for source. Back for. Wait, 3. Nah. Me too, bro. It do be like that sometimes, don't it? I could look these up, but I don't want to cheat. I want to do, you know, I want to learn. Well. Plus, you know what? We're gonna come up with our own, like, really cool things here. So I'm gonna be using the water shader for this, actually. This shouldn't crash, right? What? Yeah. Alright. Okay, yeah. So the water map would be last render. So this is gonna have to be water map. Oops. Create Jupiter Titans. You were just listening to this soundtrack the other day? Dope. Alright. Why is... Oh. It's because I didn't... Yeah. There we go. Alright, so... Ignoring that weirdness, we can see if these work now. Let's see, multiply by, I guess it's self. No, Rippler. So we'll, I mean, yeah, you can just straight up do that, but... So yeah, this should, yeah, in areas where the light is low, you'll get, like, motion blur. But in areas where the light's good, you'll get, like, better visual. So that shows me that it's wanting to work. Let's multiply it by itself, though, just to see. Yeah, okay. So it is working. So the add function will have to be... well, I mean, just src plus new. But then we're going to need to do a little bit special things here. Vec for total equals that. Return total. Because we're going to need to do total dot r equals min 1.0 total dot r. GB and A as well. GBA. Oops. And we're going to do the same with subtract. Alright. This is going to have to turn into a max. 0 point. Source minus new. Alright, yep, it adds until it gets white. The brightest that it could be. And then we do sub. Oh. So yeah, Airless, if you can, send a link. I'm like really curious to. Okay, what? Oh, because the A is being subtracted as well. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Heck yeah. I'm really curious, like, what that might have been. Speaking of, that made me kind of want to, like, make an orbiting function, but we're not going to do that. Alright, so, we got the basic blend modes. Now let's go over some, like, really cool ones here. Let's go, hold on, let me look up popular blend modes. And I'll try to replicate them. That'd be a fun coding experience. Okay, so we got, yeah, we already got the multiply thing. We got darken, which just looks like multiply, but different. Compares the colors of the blending layer and the base layers and keeps the darker colors. Oh. Okay, so all we really need to do then is vec for darken. Lighten. Alright. So float RV equals, hold on, does it do like the entire thing? Compares all the colors. Well, what we can do then is do lumens. Wait, SV for, yeah, source, and then NV for new. Float NV equals lumens new. Okay, so if SV is less than NV, return SRC else return SRC during NV, right? Yeah. Yeah. So if we darken by itself, what does it do? Oh, come on. Okay. Oh. I'm done. Oh yeah, if you want Neo, that'd be dope. Although I don't really have like any specific perks to offer, but yeah, I can come up with some. That's for darn sure. I think what's going on here is. RGB. I can't have one when I ain't rich. I feel that. Yep. And that is darkening by of itself, so that's why it's gonna look like that. But if we darken it by the rippler, there we go. That is awesome. That's so cool. We get a contract made up for freelance developers so my game can be made. Ugh. I feel you on that. It's all good. Alright, so... But that's not really gonna help us much. So I'm gonna replace the Rippler map with... Use sampler. So now it's gonna... Yeah, so it darkens... based on that. Alright, anyway. Oh, that's cool. That's trippy. Alright, so I'm gonna need to do this in a different way. I'm gonna have to get rid of the clear after. Where's it at? Clear before render. Now, how is that like that? That makes no sense. Bye, Airless. Have a good day. Listen, yeah, that's the one I'm making. Weird candy stoner seed. There's a plan for making the game. You can learn from freelance developers making it. So I can't get sued, but I will pay them a lot. Alright, so that's not a thing. So that's just because of how often it's grabbing the thing. In that case, this is gonna have to be, instead of use sampler here, we're gonna go back to the Rippler map. But we're going to set the Rippler map equal to something like akin to new pixie dot wait. This dot z equals new pixie dot texture dot from slash img slash. This will be the good test right here. We'll do titles 1. I almost typed titties 1, dang it. Slash beach.png. And then this should be equals this dot z. RPG Maker isn't my style. You're not paying anything. Maybe you guys can help out one day. Maybe. That's how I started. It's always pixel art and. Oh yeah, Viz's pixel art is on point. Like, my gosh, is it good? Okay, why is that doing that though? Because that. You know what? We'll do this then. We'll blend the two together of the beach and universe. Asana by. No, we're not doing that. That's not the pixel I want to use. I know what you mean by RPG Maker stuff. You should really, really see. Oh, it is working. Very nice. Kinda. It's backwards, but Alright, vec4 subbed equals that, and then subbed.rgb equals r equals max 1 point like we did before, or no, yeah, it was this one. No, it wasn't, was it? No, it was this one. Okay. Let's call it total like we did before. Alright, so now we just need to reverse it by doing. There it is. And it keeps the darker ones, kind of. Let's just return the total. Well, that'd be subtract. Would it? No. Aha! Here we go. We can just do times SB. And then divided by NV. It looks cool. But I don't think it's what we're going for. Yeah, I had it backwards, that's why. Alright, so yeah, this is the dark and only thing. So now, we just say mix level as well for these. Last two notable successful games made in RPG Maker were Symphony of War and Amori. I don't know. I barely know coding. Plenty of game is going on. 95% of games in Unity don't see success. isn't what makes a good. That is wisdom, and it is so true. Actually, I can learn from that. Really, I need to. Okay, mix. SRC mix level. So yeah, now we can just lessen the blending effect like that. We can actually invert the blending effect. Oh. Okay, that's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Would that also have to be mixed? Or is it backwards? You could just do like one at a time like that. I think we're a little bit backwards. Viz, it does me in my sleep. Like, one does not simply program. One just is given mercy, like, by the computer to at least somewhat humor what you're going for. Nah, that's not true, but... Okay, 0.5. Yep, there we go. It was backwards. Alright, yeah. And then if we double it... Oh gosh. Helga is in the house and she getting mad AF. -1 point. And that just brightens it. Yeah. Alright. So if we do... like 0.5, why is it not? Remaster them on style. Sure, you just gotta take the leap and such more. Indeed. Tell them about your. Oh, it's because I did. Oh boy. This was always at the left pixel. I'm dumb. Alright, there we go. Tell them about your golem. Neo. Your skills will improve along the way. So most of your stuff. Your golem. You start with probably... You're gonna be here a while, Viz. So, yeah, too long didn't read. He's been working on a golem. A boss with like a zillion attacks. And it's really good. And I like admire the raw patience that Neo has for that. Alright, so yeah, now we're we're doing the darken only thing, but this is incorrect right there. There we go. So we successfully created a darken effect. Plus cosine. Just to see it like animated and stuff, we'll do S time divided by width. Minus 16 point. Yeah. Well, it's working. You can see the looks like the ocean's swaying. That's kind of cool. I want to move the object that's blending more than anything, so minus height. Plus cosine S time divided by width minus height. Divided by height. Minus 32. I don't know. Anything like that. Quite the jump. Yeah, it's pretty insane. So yeah, darken works. I'm just gonna be giving them a solid blend mode like that now. Lighten. Wait. Okay. That's freaking sick. So we got lighten. Which will do U plus that. Just place this with point. It works. That is a cool effect. Awesome. Check this out. It's working. We got the blend modes, boy. And you know what? We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna come up with our own unique blend effects. But first, wait a minute. Which one? This one or the beach? I don't know, but there's a little pyramid over there. Where's the mountain? Wait! Is it? If not, it is very similar. I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I think. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I guess it is a little bit different. Okay. So we got lighten. What other modes are there? Color burn. Color bone. Color burn mode is named after the photography. Hold on, let me. 23. Yeah, so the amount of attacks that Neo has, I'm still blown away by that. That is actually insane. Anyway, the color burn name after the Ferrari film development technique of burning or overexposing prints to make the colors darker. This blending mode darkens the colors and increases the contrast of the base colors, then blends the colors of the blending layer. I have no idea what that means. How is that any different than multiply? Yeah, I don't know how that would be any different than, oh, hold on. This I messed up. No. That's... Not... In... Oh, yeah, hold on. Duh. There we go. What? Oh, okay. I need to redo this part. Vec4 total equals source times new. And then mix source total mix level. Yeah, that should work, right? Huh? No, that is definitely how that should work, so... Oh, that's kind of cool, though. Yo, what is... Oh, that's dope! Alright, so it's not just your standard multiply then, so I need to take a look at the... multiplies the colors of the blending layer and the base layers, resulting in a... Yeah, isn't that what I'm doing here? How's that not what I'm doing? Oh, wait. So I need to do new and then source? Is that multiplied properly? Oh, one way to find out. Again. It did look awesome, didn't it? Oh, I can't wait to get into the custom ones. Alright, not new. I always go to new as if I'm gonna like start some epic project. It's like a habit thing. I'll just steal from one of these. I'm gonna steal from the vids you see. IMG. There it is. I'm blind. In the wastelands through the highways. All right. And the beach. And the beach. All right. So if we do multiply here. Is that a... Yeah, that's correct, right? Yep, that is indeed the same. So, and this is going to be total.a, wait, new.a divided by equals mix level. Wait. Minus equals mix level. Yeah. And then that will allow us to like lighten the amount of mixing. Total.a equals source.a. There we go. So yeah, now we can like lighten the mix levels by doing like 0.25. Now we cannot mix. What? The hooker? Plus equals mix level. Huh? Okay, then let's do... Yeah, they're kind of... Alright, yeah, so it'd be 1.0 minus source.a. No, it's just gonna go back to that. Well, I guess that makes sense though, because like, yeah. Okay. That's it. That's how it would work. Only not really. Total.a divided by equals mixed level. No, what? Or no, it would have to be a times. Mix src total mix level. How can I not make the whole thing transparent? Oh, I'm stupid. If we do that, then it's just gonna be like that again. New.a. So if we try this divided by mix level, yeah, src divided by mix level. Why does it not do that? Oh, no, okay. Yeah, I was overthinking this. Get rid of that. And then we can do mix src, wait, total src first. Yeah, like that. And then mix level. Wah. Oh. Well, that's not entirely how that's supposed to be. Why? Well, whatever. We got the multiplier, and let's get rid of the whole mix level thing. So we should be able to do total times equals mix level, and that should work. But it's like, okay, .rgb, and then 0.5 should be half. Yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna do new divided by equals mix level. Or not new, source. We need to do .rgb, or was it .new? Yeah. src. Maybe we just need to do both. src and. Yeah, whatever. I'm confused. Anyway, nonetheless, I will figure out the percentile thingies later. Hey Grant, new person to talk to. No, you're fine. Hey, let it all out, bruh. There's a lot of work that went into that. I agree. Oh. That's why. And let's see, we got divide now. Is that how it should look? Let's find out. Check it out. Yeah. So a 50%. Okay, so what? This should be 0.23. Should look exactly like this. But it's backwards. So src.a. Okay, so just straight up like that. Huh? No, it's still a little too bright. 0.02, wait, 0023 I think it would be. No. Alright, so this is what's going to help me figure this out. Oh. No. It should just straight be like that, but it's not, because that's like doing all the RGB dot A. If we just do that, it's still not going to be the same. Alright, so yeah, looks like we'll go over the blending thing at a later time. So for now, All right, let's just move on to like custom ones real quick because I am very excited for this one. Only copy a smaller one. Let's gonna call it B. B, and then we'll say, let's do a positional multiplier. Yeah, so we will do that times cosine v texture color.x divided by pi. Let's do a raw thing. So B positional multiplier. Okay, so yeah, we can do cosine, yeah, and then times nu, and then sine times source. Total dot A equals source dot A divided by nu dot A. Alright, so the positional thing is working, however... okay. Oh! Yeah, no, okay. This is where this comes in. Nope. That is incorrect. So we need to absolutify all of this. Or maybe modulo it. So we're gonna modulo it. 1 point and then that. What? What are you talking about? Mod 1 point. Total dot R equals mod. No, this isn't gonna work. Let's try not dividing by pi real quick. There it is. That's the positional multiply. Alright, we can get rid of the pi thing. So yeah, that's a pretty cool one. I think what we can do, however, is make it even better. Well, maybe. Nah, let's not do that. Let's do plus instead. Or like maybe minus. Yeah, there we go. That's a good positional multiplier. Oh! Yeah, no, okay. I wasn't doing it right. This still needs to be at least that, and then GL frag coord dot. Oh, ooh! How cool is that? That I did not expect. Okay, that's kind of dang cool. I'm not gonna lie. So times lumen SRC. I think I just messed something up here. Oh yeah. Of course. Oh. Because I typed it wrong. Oh, that's cool! That's awesome! That is so cool. We're divided by though. Did that again with that? No. I know, right? Ignore the moving weirdness there. That is so dang cool. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. So I think this needs to be 1 point minus mix level, actually. Yeah, there we go. So it's times mix level. So that's positional multiplier. The positional divider. So now we're doing basically the same thing except dividing. Which will just end up making it white, yeah. But if we remove the restrictions for the minimum and maximum, we might end up getting a really cool total.a equals, I don't know. I'll figure out the blending thing later though. So yeah, we got the positional divider and positional. Alright, so this is gonna actually have to be longest GLS, wait, float pi value. Max decimals and WebGL float. Okay, so I think he's right about that. So let's just do this. 11 digits of pi. Just to make it about as accurate as it can get, without having to transfer over the thing. All right, so what math do I need here? Okay, let's see. Okay, whatever math you just did says it was 1 attacks, and it certainly feels more than 10. According to 22 times 11, it only has 256, whereas how in the world did I get 506? 22 times 23. 23 is the amount of attacks each element has after the elements. What do I need here? There are 22 weapons, there are 11 elements, but 23 attacks for each element. Okay, so for that, what you would basically formulate here, you know what, let's just do this in Node. Alright, console.clear. So, basically Neo, alright, 22 weapons, 11 elements. So, yeah, 11, okay, times 23, times 22, yeah, that's how you got 560, or 506. Magically it became some other unknown number. Yeah, 22 times, yeah, no, 11 times 23, that equals 5,566. That's a lot. Okay, so we got the positional divider. What else can we come up with? Like, yeah, you can do like screen and all that. Color dodge. Glow dodge? The glow mode creates a stronger effect than color dodge. Add glow. Overlay. Soft light. Depends on the density of the superimposed color. Using bright colors on the blending layer will create a brighter effect, like dodge modes. Difference examples. Yeah, it's cool. Hey, they're also using GIMP for that. We can do stuff like that. HSV values and all that. Alright. So let's try this. B vibrance. So yeah, let's try like basing it on a vibrant value. Okay. Float SB equals SL lumens SRC float NL equals lumens new turn total times wait no we would return source times new divided by SL times SRC divided by NL. Or March. Okay. So that is somewhat correct. Just needs to be divided by that. Little too bright. Wait, plus? Ah, there it is. Alright. B vibrance, yeah, and then we would just do new times equals mix level. Well, yeah, there it is. New minus equals mix level, and then SRC minus equals mix level as well. I don't get it. Why is this so off? Huh. Mix. SRC. And then SRC times that, and then mix level. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there it is. Alright, so that's the thing. There it is. So yeah, now we got a B vibrance thing, so we can increase the overall thing, but that's not how that would work, right? So we would say total equals that, return total and then total dot RGB minus equals, or no, we would just multiply it by itself, right? Yeah, because that would backwards in it. All the values? Maybe just the A. Oh, yeah, no. Okay, so what I need to do now, yeah, is multiply it by itself. However, times equals lumens total. There it is. Times SRC times new. A equals SRC to A. Oh, that's really cool. No. Yeah, so then it would be times SRC minus new, or plus, it'd be plus new, or times new. Divided by new. Son of a hooker, plus new. Alright. No, now it's just the opposite. 1.0 minus that. Well, I guess we're just doing it like that, and then back for no, yeah, we can just do total SRC next level. That's cool. Alright, well, anyway, we got a sort of vibrance thing, but I feel like we can actually 1.0 minus that and that. And this will be better, so if we... how can I do that? Are you looking for a particular color? No, basically what I'm trying to do now is like increase the saturation based on like the circumference of a hooker. No, like this. Like, kind of like HSL color or HSL saturation. Notice how, like, it increases the saturation. Oh, I see how that works. Oh, you know, that's actually kind of easy. Alright. And before it's not. Okay. So, what we need to do is take SL times NL plus SRC times mu. And then that will give us a dark or brightness. All right. So then we take that brightness. Of course. I see how it works, but okay. Total dot R divided by equals new dot A times NL. Okay, what's that going to do for the red value? Is that what it does there? No. So we need to times equals that then. As for the blue, maybe we do divide it all like that. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay, so that is the method about going to it. G. B. Alright, so we have that. Now we just need to invert all of that. So this should be the R, B, and then G. Or is it backwards? B for the R, G for the G, A for the B of all things, actually. And then these all need to be SL. And then we just need to invert that somehow. How do you invert with GLSL? Alright, anyway, after this, I will call it, and then I'm going to work on my friend Rocker's script a little bit, and then I'm going to be working with Viz. Spec for 1 minus. Oh, wait, it's just that simple. Spec for 1 point minus total. Sure enough, that's how you invert. Total minus equal. Okay, total dot RGB minus equals vec3 1 point minus the src dot RGB or the new, yeah. Okay, total minus equals vec4 1 point total. Yeah, that's gonna invert the thing. No, it's not. Oh, wait. Yeah, total equals. Oh, that's cool. Also creepy. Okay, so that's the saturation. So now we just do total dot RGB divided by equals total dot RGB. Plus equal. It's not gonna do any good. Okay, now we can do. How are we gonna do this? Times SL times NL. Oh, that I don't. Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, lumens. Total. No, but we made a pretty dang cool looking filter. So let's try this. Total equals lumens, total. Oh. Alright, so we are inverting it, so maybe that's not the one we invert. Maybe new is the one that we invert. New vec 4 new equals vec 4 new dot RGBA, just to make sure I'm cloning it properly. Vec 4 1 point minus vec 4 to and we base this off of this version of the new. And this will be based off total. Alright, so that does that. This needs to be NL. And then this needs to be total divided by NL times NL. We're getting there. We're getting pretty close. I just need to shift the hue around a bit. Okay. R. Oh, we're getting it. B. Hold on. G. No. Which one was it though? Okay, so then this will be R as well. and this will be G. Oh! Oh, that's... Yo! That's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. I just came up with an entirely new thing. That is freaking sweet, dude. So yeah, this will be SL. Oh, I don't even know what I did. But it's cool. I love it. But yeah, I'm about to end here in a minute. Alright, I'm calling this B red wave. Yeah, I know, right? So yeah, we got B red wave, B green wave. So let's try it with the green values real quick. Alright, let's do this. Mix B red wave, def rippler, 1 point. With that, and mix them at a 0.5. Oh, look how cool that is. Lumen rippler. Lumen's default. I don't mind. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, that is cool. Well, anyway, and we'll do a blue wave. B, and then RGB wave, and so we will for this is going to be a little bit different. So mod 1 point, and then total.b plus total.r plus total.g. So it's going to be like modulo based. That shouldn't crash it, yeah. Be RGB wave. Now check this out. Oh, that is so dang cool. It like goes from oh yeah. Times SL. Oh my gosh, that is so dang cool. Look how neat that is, dude. Although it doesn't really do what I originally thought, but that's okay. So what we can do is all of them. Oh, dang it. Very cool. All right. Okay, so RRR, and then G. And then B. I think we can get rid of the multiple dividers here. Use them once. Maybe not though. Alright, so yeah, it looks like RGB wave is not gonna work yet, so total equals mix B blue wave total we will do B red wave total new and then do 1 point and then 1 point and then we'll do B green wave total new 1 point, and then this will be 0.3333. That's what it is. All right. All these need to be 0.33. This will be mixed based on NL times SL. Anyway, yeah, this is the last test, and then we will call it. I like that though. Alright. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.